But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Choosing a new smartphone can be tough, but let's narrow down the options together. In the flagship department, we've got two awesome choices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max from Apple and the OnePlus Open, which is OnePlus' first foldable phone. Now, let's figure out which one is the best fit for you. iPhone 15 Pro Max is OnePlus Open. Price, availability, and specs. The iPhone 15 Pro Max came out in September 2023 and cost $1,200. The base model has 256 gigabytes of storage, but if you need more space, you can opt for the highest-end variant that goes up to 1 TB for an extra charge. And the best part is, you can choose from different color options like natural titanium, black titanium, blue titanium, and white titanium. So you have some great choices to personalize your iPhone. The OnePlus Open was up for pre-order on October 19th, and you could snag it for $1,699. A week later, it became widely available for everyone. This beast comes with a whopping 512 gigabytes of storage, giving you plenty of room for all your files. And to spice things up, you can choose between two stylish colors: Emerald Dusk and Voyager Black. Design and display. Let's talk about the design of these two phones. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a sleek and stylish look. On the back, you'll find a matte glass panel with the iconic Apple logo in the center. The camera system is placed toward the top left corner. Flip it over, and you'll be greeted by a gorgeous 6.7-inch edge-to-edge display. The thin bezels give it a clean and modern appearance, and that dynamic island cutout. It's where you'll find the impressive TrueDepth camera system. With an OLED screen, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers a resolution of 2,796 x 1,290 pixels at 460p. Plus, it can reach a peak brightness of 2,000 nits. That's some serious screen quality. Now, let's check out the OnePlus Open's design. If you go for the Voyager Black variant, you'll rock a vegan leather back. But if you prefer the Emerald Dusk model, you'll get a sleek matte glass finish. On the top left, there's a camera bump, and right underneath it, you'll find the iconic OnePlus logo. But that's not all. On the back, the right half features a secondary 6.31-inch display. It boasts a resolution of 2,484 x 1,116 pixels, delivering crisp visuals at 431p. And get this, it can hit a peak brightness of 2,800 nits. Oh, and don't miss the small circular cutout at the top center of this display. It houses the selfie camera. When you flip over the OnePlus Open, you'll be greeted by its primary 7.82-inch display. And guess what? It actually folds in half. How cool is that? The display boasts a resolution of 2,440 x 2,268 pixels, giving you sharp visuals at 426p. And just like the secondary display, it can reach an impressive peak brightness of 2,800 nits. Now, check out the top right corner of the phone. You'll spot another small circular cutout that houses a second selfie camera. OnePlus really knows how to pack in those awesome features. Now that we've checked out the designs and displays of both phones, let's make our final assessment. When it comes to design and build, we're giving the crown to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Why? Well, it offers more color options, has a higher IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and it's generally more durable due to its form factor. Plus, let's be honest, the rear camera bump on the iPhone isn't as, shall we say, horrendous as the one on the OnePlus Open. So, all things considered, the iPhone 15 Pro Max takes the cake in the design department. When it comes to display technology, the OnePlus Open takes the crown without a doubt. It's got two displays, with one of them having a folding capability. And guess what? The peak brightness on the OnePlus Open is even higher than that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh, and don't worry too much about the pixel density difference between the two. You're not likely to notice it anyway. Both phones offer 120 Hz refresh rates and fall in the flagship category. So the main question you should ask yourself is whether you want a foldable phone or not. Performance. When it comes to performance, both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the OnePlus Open are equipped with flagship internals, so they can handle your everyday tasks without a hitch. Plus, they'll receive software updates for years to come, keeping them up to date. While benchmark tests can give us some insights into their performance, ultimately, it's not as crucial as the design and display aspects we discussed earlier. So, rest assured, whichever phone you choose, you'll have a powerful device in your hands. The A17 Pro chip that drives the iPhone 15 Pro Max performs impressively in almost every test. It surpasses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform in terms of power and energy efficiency. Graphics might be where the OnePlus Open shines a bit more. However, the score discrepancies between the two chips are quite minimal. So, in the grand scheme of things, this aspect shouldn't heavily influence your decision. Choose the phone that aligns best with your preferences and needs. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 8 GB of RAM, which is half of what the OnePlus Open offers. But hey, here's the thing. iOS 17 is actually less demanding than Oxygenos 13.2, so it all balances out. Now, let's talk storage. The OnePlus Open comes with a generous 512 GB as the standard option. On the other hand, the iPhone starts at 256 GB, but also offers 512 GB and 1 TB variants. If 512 GB doesn't quite cut it for you, then you might want to consider the iPhone or explore cloud storage solutions. So, take a look at your storage needs and decide what's best for you. Let's talk about the most exciting aspect of the performance round, versatility. The OnePlus Open shines as a tablet and a phone, offering you the best of both worlds. With its larger display and Android's flexibility, you can enjoy advanced multitasking features like running multiple apps side by side. On the other hand, let's not forget about the operating systems and their ecosystems. If you already own other Apple products, it might be a smart move to go for the iPhone so you can benefit from their seamless integration. And if you're a fan of Chromebooks or Android tablets, the OnePlus Open might be the perfect fit for you. Oh, one more thing. In the US, the iPhone 15 Pro Max doesn't have a physical SIM slot, so if you prefer using a traditional SIM, the OnePlus Foldable will cater to your preference. So, consider these points and let your personal needs guide your decision. Camera. Cameras are such an important factor these days, as we capture and share so many moments digitally. Don't worry, both phones have got you covered with advanced rear camera systems and decent selfie cameras. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a 48MP wide lens, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the OnePlus Open steps up its game with a 48MP wide lens, 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP telephoto lens. So, on paper, the OnePlus does seem to have a more powerful rear camera system. But remember, specs aren't everything. The real picture will come to light once the phone is out and we can see the sample shots from real-life usage. The OnePlus might have the edge in still photos, but when it comes to video, the iPhone 15 Pro Max takes the crown. Apple has been the king of mobile videography for quite some time, and with the 15 Pro Max, they've taken it up a notch. You can shoot ProRes log video, which is a dream come true for creatives who love advanced color grading. Of course, both phones support a wide range of photography modes, like portraits and night shots, so you'll have plenty of options to play with. It's an exciting world of possibilities out there. About the front-facing camera, the iPhone 15 Pro Max shines with its 12MP TrueDepth camera system. It can do some amazing things like 3D mapping your face for secure authentication and capturing stunning portrait shots. On the other hand, the OnePlus Open takes a different approach with a 20MP primary lens and a 32MP secondary lens. Don't worry, they also deliver impressive selfies and have a powerful face unlock feature. Oh, and did you know? The OnePlus Foldable even has a side-mounted fingerprint reader for added convenience in unlocking the device and approving purchases. iPhone 15 Pro Max vs OnePlus Open. Which should you buy? Let's dive into the decision-making process. While both phones have their unique strengths, the biggest factor to consider is the form factor. That's where the OnePlus Open takes the lead, as its folding mechanism offers a handier and more versatile experience. Yes, the iPhone 15 Pro Max excels in videography, and the OnePlus Open boasts a brighter display. However, when it comes to overall convenience, the folding capability of the OnePlus Open sets it apart. So in this battle, the OnePlus Open is crowned the winner for its flexibility and versatility. Get ready to unfold new possibilities. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be super grateful if you could smash that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Your support means the world to me.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get bored of killing me.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.